Hello everyone, welcome back to PLC Automation. I'm Jaffer and today I will teach you one of the most important topics in PLC programming, timer in TIA portals like TON, TOF and TP, the pulse timer. These timers are used in every machine, so let's start it. First of all, we create a project. We give it a name like timers in TIA portal. Two. Okay. We have created project. We add a CPU. For this project, 1200 should be enough, of course. Okay. We go to OB1. The timers are listed here. So, first of all, we are going to start with TON, tone. We name it, instead of 0, tone timer. Okay. So, tone timers are on delay timers. The output turns on after a delay. On delay timer. Turns on after a delay. Normally it should be like this, but apologize if I'm writing something which is not correct. So for the moment we keep it like this. And now for this timer we will use 5 seconds, not milliseconds, 5 seconds, and we output and input, and we are going to use data block for our tags, data tags, for example. You can name it anything. So it was, we have used the tone start, tone done. Okay, we go back to our OB1, data block, tone start, tone done. Okay, we start our simulator, choose PLC, go online. All right, we go online. So, tone timer. The output turns on after a delay, and we start. It counts 5 seconds, and then the output goes on. So our tone timer is working good. Okay. Okay. At this moment, we keep it as it is. And the second timer, we have we use this one. The special one. I like this one. So off delay timer. Off delay timer. Output stays on for some time after the input turns off. All right. So we go to data block. Here we put two variables, TOF start and TOF done. All right. We go back to our big one. We use the same 5 seconds. Copy, paste. Once again, download. Okay. Timer is on. Now the input is off. It just why it's not counting? Okay. Let's start with PLC ones. Okay, now once again. What's happening here? Oh yeah. You see? We are using the same division. Okay. And now this W1 and W3. When, okay, back off. No. Now it start counting 5 seconds and then the bam. Okay, off. All right, and now we have our third timer, which is pulse timer. Pulse. Yes. Pulse timer. Fixed. And pulse when triggered. Okay, we go back to our data block. We make two variables, start TP and TP down. Start TP. Five seconds. Counts. 5 seconds. Turn off. So guys, now you understand all three basic timers in TIA portal. These timers are used in motors, conveyors, lights, alarms, anywhere. Okay, this was our today's lesson. In the next video, we will use these timers in a real small project. So don't forget to subscribe to PLC Automation. Thanks for watching. Bye.